Hello everybody. Hey, can you hear the rain on my skylight? It's March here in Broadstairs and we had snow yesterday. The snowdrops are out, the daffodils are out, but somehow the rest of it needs to catch up. I don't like it. Despite the weather, I've been having fun with my Alice in Wonderland series. This is the latest one. It's the white rabbit, as you can see. It's the first time that Alice encounters him. He says, "I'm late." He's looking at his watch, and then he dives down a rabbit hole and Alice follows him. That phrase, "don't go down that rabbit hole," has become common parlance, and that's where it comes from. I'd like to bring your attention to the tweed of his jacket. He's even got a pocket here. And what I've done is I've taken stringers which look like spaghetti, but in fact they're glass, coloured glass, and I've formed them and crossed them across to make a tweed. It was very time consuming, very tricky, but I think it works. Now every piece in this series will have gold in it, gold leaf smalting. This time it's his waistcoat, and I've made some tiny little buttons and also the chain out of little dichro. The grasses are easy to do, but to mosaic behind them was fiddly and time consuming, because in mosaic you start with the nearest thing and then you work with the thing behind it. And my favourite feature, funnily, is this little dandelion clock. And the reason I like it so much is because it looks like a little cottontail of a bunny rabbit. And I'm wondering, it's in the original Tenniel, and I'm wondering whether that's a little pun from Tenniel himself. I think it is.